Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Amazon speaker to your iPhone. First of all, you have to click and hold these two buttons until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So let's make it right now.
Power on.
As you can see, it is blinking, so we have to release the buttons and put it right here. Next, on our iPhone, we have to go for the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth, then tap on the switcher and select from the list Amazon Basics WP522. That's the name of our speaker, and right now we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.